ready with me as I try Victoria Beckham's products. But first, if you know, you know. I don't often contour. I don't love contour on mature women, especially over 50, because we're starting to sag, so we have to be careful. But I do like to contour my nose every day, so I got the lighter one and I got the darker one just to see. So I'm doing the lighter one's Marble, I think, is it? Or Travertine. Travertine. I'm doing the lighter one here and I'm ending right about here. Remember, every nose is different, but this is how I'm gonna contour my nose. And then if I look at all my childhood and teen pictures, I had a shadow going down the side right there and there. Blends really easily, really, I mean like butter, but are we surprised it's Victoria Beckham? And a little shadow under the mouth. Now I'm gonna take the darker color and do the sides of my nose. And then when I was little, I had this little shadow and I had the cutest little button nose. I'll show you a picture. Again, it blends like butter. These are amazing. Remember, this is how I blend my nose. Everyone's nose shape is different. And then I'm gonna go into my crease. What I love about blending creams on mature eyes is close up, it looks like skin and not a dry, crepey shadow. And whatever is left on the brush, I just kind of sweep on the lower eyelid. Remember, we have a lower eyelid, most of us. I'm gonna do a tiny bit out here just to see how it looks and blends, but I'm not a huge fan of contour over 50. And no surprise, it blends. I'm just kind of patting and lifting at the same time and taking it back to the hairline. It's a very pretty color. Excited about her bronzer block. I got shade 2. At my age, I like bronzer to add depth as opposed to contour. Look at that depth. None on this side, and then here we've got some nice depth. Now, if you are a cool summer or winter, you might not look great in a bronzer, or I could direct you to a bronzer that is cooler, because there are bronzers that are on the cooler side or contours that are on the cooler side, but you never want to go too dark or bronzy. If you are a true summer or winter, it's going to clash. I've had her highlighter for about 2 years. This was sent in PR 2 years ago. I don't talk about it much anymore, but it's still one of my all-time favorite highlighters of all time, because it just makes your skin look like you just came out of a facialist. Look at that glow. It's gorgeous. Going in with her cinnamon eye pencils, you almost can't feel it gliding on. It's just like butter. And I do a little bit in the out, and then I take my finger and it literally blends itself. It's the most effortless blending. It's so pretty. Love the attention to detail. Sometimes when a cap is dark on the inside, you can mash your pencil, but this is light, so you know exactly where to fit the pencil. This eye looks great, but now I'm going in with Cocoa because I'm going for a deeper look, especially now that I have deeper hair. I can get away with deeper eyes. And like I said, they blend like butter. It's effortless. And I'm doing the waterline on the top and the waterline on the bottom. For those of you not comfortable using your fingers, it does come with a little smudger, so it's great for smudging out the end of an eyeliner or a wing or whatever you like. Vast Lash is her latest mascara. Now, I have her original, which is a tubing mascara, and I absolutely love it, but I couldn't wait to try this one, which I believe is more volumizing, and I love all the volume. This mascara is, well, posh. I grabbed this pencil yesterday. I haven't used it in a long time. It's Lady Code Paris by my beautiful friend, Brandy Glambell. I bought her lipstick in Knickers. Is that so cute? Where are my springs at? I used this all day yesterday, and what I noticed, it's long wearing, but it also blurs the lips, which is important for mature lips because we have wrinkles. And then we can use a little bit of our highlighter again, just in the center of the mouth to create more volume. And now you can reevaluate everything, and I just want a little bit more bronzer now that my eyes are on. Yeah, better. This is the perfect winter bronzer, but I'm definitely gonna need to go a little bit deeper for summer. This is heavy, like I could do bicep curls with this. My entire eye is just done with her contour stick and pencils and her mascara. What do we think? Her products are exceptional quality. I love them. I feel so beautiful in them. Highly recommend. I love it with my new hair color too.